Good morning, all. Today I am here at one of a very well known place for birding in North Karnataka. This place has never failed to attract a lot of migratory raptors from different parts of the world and also passage migrants which come here every year. Also, this place is one of the wonderful places for bird watching resident birds like quails, then francolins, and a lot of other birds. But this year, one can see that a lot of construction work is going on in this place. The trees have been cut to build these walls, and there are some boards fixed by the construction people by cutting the trees. So, trees are no longer the perches available for the birds here. The boards and the walls are the only perches available for the birds to sit upon them and look for a prey. At present, this is the situation of this place.
On a foggy morning, these two birds of prey were found perching on a board. Hi friend, I have travelled from Europe. I am looking for some food here.
It's not easy, my friend, as long as I'm here.
Oh, look, I have got something very tasty for myself.
Give it to me, or else I will snatch it from you. See, I did it. I snatched it from you. Wow, it's very tasty.
You are getting on my nerves. Give it back. You ruthless moron. Get away from here. I am tired of this. Let me do some stretchings. Let me change my perch now and look for a new prey. Oh, I think there is good food there. Let me go away from this black goon.